Hello, hello, hello. Headed out to get some Subway. I'm gonna shoot this vlog completely handheld. Keep looking at myself. I should be looking down. Oh no, I'm so short. My gut tells me that this is going to slide all the way down. Okay. Hang in there, buddy. You can do it. I am going to be passing by a roadblock. Coming up. Oh, damn it. The mic got unplugged. But we'll make a comparison of the audio quality. My windows are wound down, so you should be able to appreciate a lot of noise, I'd say. Okay, we have a police roadblock coming up and they're going to ask me where am I headed. That is if they were to stop me. We see a car. It's not being allowed to go to town. Alright, so it is a gloomy day. Basically right now I am shooting on the manual mode, and it's the shutter is at 1/80th a second and aperture is at the largest, which is 3.5. With this lens it's a 18 to 150 mm, if I'm not mistaken. I gotta clarify that again. Okay, we've got a bit of a long drive actually, so I'm just gonna keep it. I'm gonna go by another roadblock. I just want to show you another roadblock in Miri. Well, this is still within a suburb, so it's still pretty quiet. It's the same even on a non-movement control order day. Miri is a rather small, quiet town. So yeah, let's talk. I'm actually talking to myself, but it's fine. Peter McKinnon said to overlay the footage and move it by one frame, but it didn't really do the job, or maybe my flicker was just too much to correct it. So yeah, now I'm going to start shooting in manual. And oh yeah, this is the second roadblock. It's preventing, basically they have blocks to prevent people to get to town. Sarawak is a state on its own, and Sarawak is larger than Peninsular Malaysia. You know what, I'm just going to maintain it on this view because I don't think you want to see my face. Maybe later on a bit. On the right we have a private hospital, and that is just new. It's a couple of months. Body Medical Center, Miri branch. Oh, look at this person making an illegal U-turn and illegal U-turn. Yep, so that hospital is new. There's only 3 private centers in Miri, and this is one of them. Oh, 4. 2 new ones this year. Like, they both came up at the same time, which is KPJ and PMC. So Miri is a growing town. Okay, we are approaching to city center, and if you can see on the far right, that's Mega Hotel, and then we have the plaza for the immigration, and then that building in the far is Dynasty Hotel. Everybody's so compliant. I guess now that they have implied the temporary imprisonment, and looks like our cops are not going easy at all on that. That is good. Okay guys, I want to test a bit of audio. So there's definitely a lot of noise here. A larger street, more cars. At the moment I'm using the Boya mic, and I really like it. I think it's been doing a good job so far. Like, as long as it's within an arm's length, you will get the quality, or a very decent, and yeah, it's a very likable audio quality. No questions asked about this Boya mic. I really like it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to disconnect and try recording using the inbuilt microphone, so let's see how it sounds. I'm going to say two statements. What shall I say? I'm going to say I really love Miri because it is so laid back and so calm. Even on a good day, like a good working day, the traffic is nowhere near the traffic that you will forget KL, even a smaller area like, I don't know. I hope you guys are not too bored with me and you're just enjoying Miri the way I am enjoying my evening drive right now. Okay, memory card is at 1 minute and I think it's going to cut off really soon, so perhaps the next traffic light I will delete some stuff. Alrighty, so I already picked up my subway. There we go. Oh, can't really see the logo. Okay, well, I don't know how much I am in focus right now because I think what's taking the center stage is the steering wheel. Let me try to prop it up a little bit. Okay, that looks a little bit off balance. Ah boy, is videography difficult. Aperture is at maximum and then the shutter speed is at 1/30th or something like that. I gotta check it again, I just adjusted it. So as I was saying, as we drive, let's speak about the usage of gloves in your daily living. Okay guys, so glove, right, is basically when you put on a glove, you tend to think that it is protecting my hands and I don't want to open it until I get back home. And that's because it's protecting my hands, right? So I don't want to touch all those outside things and stuff. Before I reach my home, I'll open it and I'll throw it away. This concept is very, very, very wrong. In simple terms, what I can say that one is actually doing is that your glove is actually acting like a Uber, you know, for all these little viruses, whether it's corona or influenza or whatever. It's acting like an Uber, because by you touching your grocery cart, and then you didn't change your glove, and then you answered your telephone, and then you went to another store to pick up your toothbrush and stuff like that, and then you touched your door handle, and then you got back home. So this is very wrong because you're just transferring the germs from one spot to another. And generally, the gloves or the medical gloves are latex, they're rubbery. So yes, things tend to get stuck on them, and it is definitely not ideal for you to be wearing it and just going all about doing your errands and then removing it before you enter your house. It has protected your hands, and you wash your hands before you enter your house. But you are spreading germs in other places, in the commercial places, and that is not fair to everybody. So yeah, don't do that. Please don't do that. Okay, that is the medical tip for today. Hashtag you ain't got us, Rona. We just created it. Oh, that's a beautiful horizon. I'm going via the back road. Oh, you can look at that horizon, right? I think it's capturing the sky very beautifully. Okay, so this is almost parallel to the river that opens up into the ocean. So can you see? Oh yeah, Pullman. You will be able to see Pullman soon, and Pullman has got nice views. Pullman is a new hotel in Miri, and the rooms are very big, very spacious, very comfortable. If you just want to like chill, relax, and in fact, right, it's very affordable. For I don't know, 4 or 5 stars, I think it's a pretty good deal. Cool. I hope it turns out like how it looks. I think it's going to be a whole lot of grain in it. ISO is auto, but I don't think dialed up the ISO that high, but my shutter is very slow. So